Deacon, I see promotion letter in your hand. I see promotion letter in your hand. Yes, and I know your heart. You were expecting something like this. You were expecting a prayer like this. You were expecting something like this. And your wife has been praying. She has been praying. I see promotion letter in your hand. And by extension, everyone in this hall.
You're probably wondering how I got into this condition. Okay, so I was in this meeting, and I'm a Forex and crypto trader, and I've been desiring to pass this particular prop account. But in this meeting, the pastor, that's my pastor, my zonal pastor for Christ Mercy Abuja Zone 1, Pastor Enoch Muhammad, gave a word and said that
Deacon, I see promotion letter in your hand.
We should write down certain things that we wanted God to do for us this week. And I went ahead to, put down a few things, expecting that God was going to do it. And these prophecies were very, very precise. And I want you to just listen to some few things. I may not be able to capture all. Listen.
And I saw your name was not on it. Then the angel of God removed the name that was there, and he put your name on it. Put it there. You put it there. You put it there. You put it there. He put it there. They shall be astonished.
So every Mondays I practically have live trading sessions, of which these are the results of some of the entries I usually give just after these live trading sessions. You can see before when the entry was posted, you see this VIP group, and then these are the results, mighty results, massive results. Beautiful. And these are some of the profits that we usually get. I want to just give you a few of these particular accounts. So this is it. On that day, I posted on the VIP group that, okay, we're going to be having our live, class as usual. That's 1st September, right? Yeah, that's the next Monday, just after the program. I had expectations, I had beautiful desires. And then, fast forward, this is where I posted the link, okay, on the group, getting the community to be ready for what's going to be happening in the week. So this was just Monday, just after the program. Beautiful expectation, expecting that week will be the week to complete the passing, of the account. I want you to just go ahead and just watch a few of how the live class was conducted and the result that followed.
Hi everyone, especially welcome to today's live trading session. I'd like you to quickly share all the links so everyone let them know that we're live. Valid and block, strong demand zone, one here, okay, one here, another one here, another one here. So my confidence is to be sure which one will price. So all I need is when price gets into any of these point of interest, then I will be looking at for the reaction. So I need the rejection of price from this area, and until I get that rejection, I should not be trading in that because of the risk involved. And this is it. And you look out for the previous break of structure, which is this. Even though there's one here, there's one here. If you look closely, there's one here. Okay, and then price has to take out this low to confirm that it should come to this high. If price takes out this high, it confirms it's going here. Until then, I will not be trading. Okay, because you don't chase the candles, you don't chase price, wait for the price to come to you. So this is the only way the price can come to me. If I'm going to be trading in GU, which is the currency I discussed with you on this live trading session, I must want to see that the dollar index, which is very manipulative this period, takes out this, okay, does something like this, okay, to this high, then does this whole playing around. Then if the buyers are able to push momentum enough to break this high, then I'm expecting it to give good retracements, and once Mondays were different, sometimes the Fridays to get into that entry. So I'm just going to be waiting patiently. Okay, so in trading, it's better to wait more than to rush into entries. You will be messing yourself up if you rush. So just that confirmation. This could be a liquidity sweep for those of you who want to buy. Retail traders will be buying it, but I don't trade like a retail trader. I trade with institutional references. I follow the smart money moves. Okay, I follow the big players moves, and that's what I'm waiting for. The big players can see this as a trap. Okay, take out all the stop losses of the retail traders. So I'm just going to expect the price after giving a liquidity sweep just comes, pull back, takes out this low, gives a retracement, take another low out, give me my retracements, okay, and I will be confirming this move to either these points for the first move which I told you about, it is too short, or after that, expecting it to come to this. So that's the two bearish confirmation I can have in GU for today. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Of course, the directional buyers in the market will be clearer tomorrow.
Tuesday, the 2nd of September 2025.